In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a leave request. First, navigate to the Workers tab, and click Staff Leaves. On the right-hand corner you should see a button says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add leave-related details on this page. Select the applicant from Workers list along with requested leave types such as personal, annual or maternity, etc. Now select the beginning and end date of the leave with a descriptive reason about the leave request. Once done, press the Save Record button and you will see a confirmation message. Workers can also submit leave requests via mobile app. All recent requests are available on dashboard for quick view and revision. To approve or decline the leave request, simply manage the status and submit desired remarks. Once approved by Operation Manager, a red flag with an exclamation mark will be placed on the roster in front of the applicant approved leave date. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete or restore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.